nakakatuwa sila talaga. Anak-anak, kastolen ka! Isa pa na kastolen, isa pa kastolen! Kastolen na ako sa kastolen, hindi ganyan. Pero kasi tinapos, hindi nila mag-believe. Mahal ng ating mga pets. Imagine a pet coming from heaven, space pets. So every time you nakita nyo, wow, nakita nyo ito, wow, excitement sa buhay ng pets. Yan naman, sabi ng Lord, tingnan nyo. Pag gano'n niya, yan. Kanya. Sorry. Yan. Tama. Yan. Bilang isa mo, oh my, I have a question. Mas makit siya, dala-dala niya. I may not be able to articulate what I want to share with you, to ask you. But, when I want to and you know, I want to explain, I defend what I believe the way they do. Yeah. I have only one this question. Is my hours or me? How can I answer that? Masasagot ka ikaw kumain!
Bag, di mo kapban.
Tina, go to Amelia.
Go to Amelia.
And need to know God. That you yourself will say, yes, God is good. Kaya hindi mo lang ipapasa yung papasa mo si God. Kaya yun ang exciting dito. Yun ang amazing dito. Kaya alam po ninyo, and beat against that house and it fell. Why? Hindi kasi talaga totoo sinusunod si Jesus as His Lord, kundi inaalam lang at ulo. Kaya yun ang katotohanan na kailangan natin matutunan sa buhay. Now let me just share this with you. Sabi ni A.W. Tozer, he beautifully said, kaya ho ngayon, alam mo naman totoo mo kalalagayan. Huwag ka naman magmali. You know also the emptiness that you are suffering. Alam mo rin yun. At hindi lang sa mga tao nandito, kundi sa mga nasa online. Alam mo pinagdadaanan mo. You may be smiling, laughing. fast food.